So in this video, we're going to set up a while loop, and instead of having it occur forever, we're going to set it to a specific integer. Now, what we can take a look at is we've had our while loop set up in that until touch start mode or stop motor program that will continue forever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come above this while loop, and after the task main already opens up, and I'm going to create an integer. I'm going to choose the I variable, and I'm going to say our integer equals 0 with a semicolon to start us off. So we declare this integer. Now, what I want to say is if this integer becomes greater than 20, this loop will run, or if it's less than 20, it's going to run. Once it's greater than 20, it no longer meets the criteria. Now, right now it's at 0, but if I put down here the integer, so I'm going to type in that I, and what I'm going to say is I plus I. So every time it runs through, we're adding 1. So it's integer plus 1 is what we're saying by I plus plus. So we're increasing the integer or the increment by 1 on each of these, my semicolon. So now what happens is the program runs, the integer reads 0. While the I, and I don't have that right, while the I is less than 20, we're going to run this while loop. So it runs through, now it's at 1. Comes back to the top, runs through again, it's at 2, 3, and now once it becomes that this statement is no longer true, the while loop ceases to run, the program then stops. So again, this is just another way, instead of having a circumstance always occur, to have a set amount of times that this circumstance could occur by defining a variable, by defining your while loop to meet a certain condition with that variable, and then changing your variable here, in this case increasing it by 1 every time the program runs.